Welcome to pdftoolz.site. First, check the page angle of your PDF file. To change the page angle of a PDF, open your browser. In the search bar, type pdftoolz and press Enter. Click on the second link or directly visit pdftoolz.site. Scroll down and click on the Rotate PDF tool. Go to the Upload area and upload your PDF file. Select the angle you want to rotate the pages. Scroll down and click the Download button to get your rotated PDF file. Now, your PDF page angle has been successfully changed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and follow for more helpful videos.